Hey, you know how some things are just better? Like the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Think about going from a regular coffee to a perfect latte, or from a basic phone plan to one with unlimited data. It's the same feeling with Neon Plus. It's about taking something good and making it great. The Neon Plus plan is designed for people who want more from their everyday finances without the fuss. It's built on all the things you already love about Neon, but with key upgrades that make a real difference in your life. First, let's talk about travel. With Neon Plus, you get to use your card worldwide with no exchange rate surcharges. That means every time you pay for a coffee in Rome or a souvenir in Tokyo, you're getting the real, mid-market exchange rate. No hidden fees, no surprises. It's just a better way to spend when you're abroad. And for your day-to-day, what about peace of mind? Neon Plus includes a warranty extension on electronic devices you buy with your card. So if something goes wrong with that new laptop or a pair of headphones, you've got an extra layer of protection. It's a small detail, but it's a huge benefit. Then there's the convenience. You get 2 free ATM withdrawals in Switzerland every single month. That's a nice little bonus that adds up over time. Plus, you get access to phone support from their customer care team. Sometimes, you just need to talk to a person, and with Neon Plus, that's an option. It's all about giving you a smarter, more accessible financial experience. It's the kind of upgrade that fits seamlessly into your life, making things a little easier and a lot more rewarding. That's the power of Neon Plus.